Oh! Help!
Snake. Ew.
Go!
Help, Jonathan! I see a snake! Hurry, Jonathan, help! The snake's taking our red Firetruck! He's not even asking if we'll share! Come on, Jonathan, we have to stop him!
Your Firetruck. Oh, Nina. Look at this cement truck.
Oh no, now the snake's taking our yellow cement truck! Hey, snake! That's not nice! You should ask us first!
The truck. The garbage truck.
Oh no, now the snake's taking our green garbage truck! If you want to play with our stuff, you should ask if we can share, and we'll be more than happy to share with you, but give it back! Oh, he threw him into the sandpit! I'm coming, Jonathan! We'll get those toys back! Hey, give us those toys back, you snake! You're supposed to ask us to share! I'm gonna get him! I got him! Oh, he got away again! Get back here! Bring us back our green garbage truck, and red fire truck, and yellow cement truck. Get back here with our trucks! You're supposed to ask if we can share with you! Get him, Jonathan! Oh, we got him! Get him, Jonathan! Hey, he landed in the sandpit! That's where he put all the toys! So there we were. We found ourselves in the snake pit with the snake and all of Jonathan's toys. Jonathan said, hey, I'll be more than happy to share my toys with you if you don't steal any more. And the snake said, okay. Let's just play and be friends. I'll never steal from you again. Sounded like a great idea. And Jonathan and the snake started playing and having fun. Hey, that tickles. Hey, that's funny. Hey, Jonathan, I really like your hat. The snake said. I want to take it. I got his hat. I just can't stop taking people's things. I guess I'll always be a snake.
Oh, you got him!
It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day, it's a Jonathan